premier wholesale distributor of protective apparel and disposable supplies into the industrial, healthcare, EMS, and food services market.
Okay, very good. Gary, the same?
GT Golf Supplies is a wholesale distributor of golf products, golf accessories, regripping supplies to golf courses and retail shops across the nation.
Okay, excellent. So Bruce, how did you add NetSuite to the products that you were looking at, and what sort of criteria were you looking at when you were selecting an enterprise system to run the business, and what really made you choose NetSuite in the end?
Absolutely. So business intelligence was really big. I'm kind of a data geek, so I like to manage by exception and manage by the numbers. NetSuite provides that. On-premise was not an option, so looking for something that was cloud-based, SaaS, software as a service was extremely important to us as well. And then, of course, cost. And I think most importantly, something that allowed us to scale to where we want to go in the next 3 to 5 years.
Okay, excellent. And what was interesting when we spoke earlier this morning, you said you went from, I said, did you attend SUITEWorld last year? And you said, no, we didn't exist. So we've grown to, over a $10 million company within a year using NetSuite with huge plans to go from that. So that's outstanding. So Gary, same to you. How did you, select NetSuite to look at? What was your evaluation process?
We did have an on-premise software that we've been using for about 8 years. We had a lot of different issues across the board, but it was a good software for certain things. And it ran into a situation where we needed to make that move to the cloud. One of the main things was we had a lot of different pieces that attached to the software. We had one software that was the shipping piece, we had one online ordering system that our field reps use, and then we had our internal ERP, and we still didn't have a CRM. So NetSuite came to us and we looked at it, and it kind of solved all of our problems by having it all in one, everybody using the same software, and really that's what we're looking for.
Excellent, okay. And Bruce, you utilize Suite Success, so what impact did that make on the business, utilizing Suite Success? And Suite Success never ends. What are the next things you're going to be looking at utilizing within NetSuite?
Yeah, so business processes was the biggest thing, just kind of understanding those best known methods in the industry. And you said it best, NetSuite was designed, and with your wholesale distribution model, you guys really looked at all facets of a business. So for us, we had some good processes, but they were manual or a little archaic. So being able to really identify how we can better utilize the best known methods and processes that are both out of the box and customizable to fit our business was extremely important. So currently, we wrapped up phase 1 in 59 days in January, and we are currently in phase 2, which we're doing WMS Lite and the Suite Commerce.
So 59 days.
Yes.
0 to cloud in 59 days. Outstanding. Excellent. Gary, same to you.
We didn't quite hit 59 days, but we did just about 100 days.
That's fine. That fits the tagline.
Yeah, we were really happy with that, meeting that goal. Right now we're focused on CRM, not having that as part of our offerings in our previous software is a big piece. And then just the B2C site, developing that site and getting our customers to use it, just simple things like making payments and placing orders and getting invoice copies has really kind of relieved a lot of our internal staff's hours.
Okay, excellent. So both of you have a huge amount of experience in implementing and using ERP systems. So how does NetSuite and Suite Success compare to some of your previous experiences? And we had Mark on this morning, so be brutal if it's brutal against some of the competition. That's not a problem.
So I'll be careful of naming a certain J.D. Edwards. Had a lot of experience working with them. I think the biggest difference is really with the implementation and how it's handled, and having that direct relationship with people who actually work for NetSuite. Whether it's SAP, J.D. Edwards, PeopleSoft, go down the list. You're working with third-party implementation partners, which they don't really understand your business. And the NetSuite group really took the time to understand our business, our needs, where we want to go in the future, and make those proper recommendations and create that roadmap for how we implement.
Yeah.
Well, our old software that will be unnamed we had a lot of problems with it, but the problems always seemed to be just our problems. You know, it's a new problem that they've never seen before, and it took a lot of time to work through it. And so NetSuite, although there are some small bugs, there's a great service to, for the most part, if I report a bug, they already know about it, and it's fixed like that. It's never something that's more than that. And just to know that there's a lot of other people and users out there that are going through the same thing as you and finding different ways and working off each other.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much indeed. I appreciate your insights.
Right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So 59 days and 100